Let's see some fundamental concepts of free fall. Fundamental concepts of free fall. Here, Aristotle was a scientist who said heavier objects fall on earth fastly as compared to lighter objects. So he had two objects. One was heavier and one was lighter. Suppose a stone and a feather. So this is a heavier object and this is a lighter object. To prove that what he said is correct, he conducted an experiment. In that, he holded them in each hand and dropped it at a time. He observed the metal coin strike the earth fast and the feather was slow to reach the earth. So what did he do? He had a heavier object and a lighter object. He holded both the objects in each hand and dropped them at a time. Means at a particular time, he just dropped both the things. What he observed was the stone reached the earth faster, but the feather took time to reach earth or took time to fall down. So he stated that a object which is heavier moves fastly under the free fall condition. It moves or falls fastly as compared to the lighter objects. Later, the concept was proven wrong by Galileo. Galileo proved that this concept or this statement said by Aristotle was wrong. Galileo used two stones. What did Galileo do? He used two stones. But the two stones had different masses. Both the stones had different masses. One was heavier and one was lighter. But both the stones were of different masses and dropped them at a time from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So he conducted this experiment from the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and what he do? He also dropped both the stones at a time from the tower. And observe that both the stones hit the ground at the same time. What happened here? Here both the stones came down at the same time. Whereas when we talked about Aristotle, his two objects reached the earth at different times. This stone and the feather reached the ground at different times. But whereas in Galileo's case, both the stones which were of different masses reached the earth at the same time. These two stones are like free falling bodies. So Galileo proved that acceleration due to gravity is independent of masses. So what did Galileo prove? Galileo proved that acceleration is independent of masses. So when we are talking about acceleration, mass is not having any importance or influence on that scenario. For a free falling object, the initial velocity u is 0. For any free falling object, the initial velocity is 0. And acceleration is given by, and the acceleration can be given as g, as it is due to the gravitation. We can use Newton's equation of motion to calculate the velocity and time taken for it to reach the earth from a height. What can we do? We can use the Newton's law to prove this, that how much time it takes or how much distance will it travel and what will be the velocity of it using the Newton's equations, that is v is equal to gt, s is equal to half gt square, or v square is equal to 2 gs. These equations can be used to find out the velocity, to calculate the velocity as well as the time taken for the body, by the body to reach the earth under the free fall.